In this video, I will show you how to disassemble and reassemble the jSax. You will need a flathead screwdriver dulled on the sides. First, remove the mouthpiece and the neck with a gentle twist. Then remove the bell of the instrument. You can hold the instrument down where the bell was and use the screwdriver to separate the joints that attach the two halves of the body. Give it a little twist and the halves will start to separate. Next, use the screwdriver and slide it along the joint the whole way down the length of the body. This will help to separate the two halves. Always press the screwdriver away from you. Be careful around the G-sharp key to make sure that you don't damage it with the screwdriver. If you need to repair the thumb rest on the back, you can separate it by using the screwdriver in the openings to separate the back part. Inside the instrument, you will see that each key has its own spring. Check to make sure that these springs are in place. If they are missing, you will need to replace them as shown. The A and G keys have a double spring connected together. If you need to replace the G-sharp key, you will notice that the body has a little bit of give. You can bend the body slightly while gently pushing on the G-sharp key to release it. When reattaching the G-sharp key, secure it into place by bending the body and pressing gently on the key. To reattach the top of the body, gently press into place. You will hear clicks on both sides of the instrument. To make sure that it is secure, check the seams on both sides of the instrument. Reattach the bell and the neck and the mouthpiece. You have now reassembled your jSax.